Hello, my dear ones. I'm Dr. Susmita. I'm the founder of Yunus and Wellness. And here we help other women to overcome PCOS, infertility, thyroid issues naturally without medicine. Let's know more about it. First, let me give my introduction as there are many fake nutritionists available in the market. So you have to choose the one who is qualified enough to treat your symptoms. So I have completed my graduation degree, post-graduation master's degree and PhD degree from Assam Agricultural University in Food Science and Nutrition specialization under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. And I have done 3 internships, which is mandatory for a nutritionist or a dietitian. One in Guft Medical College, one under Registered Dietitian Board of India, and one under a professional registered dietitian. Then I have several certifications in sports nutrition from IIT Madras, adolescent nutrition from IIT Kharagpur, pediatric nutrition, yoga and naturopathy from Ministry of Ayush, etc. Then I have worked for Government of India for more than 8 years as 3 years as senior research fellow in Women in Agriculture research project where I was in food science and nutrition component. Then for last 5 years I have worked as specialist in community science in Krishi Vigyan Kendra for 5 years as a specialist equivalent to assistant professor rank from 2018 to 2023. Then also I have worked as part-time nutritionist in Tall Workers Fitness Center for 1 year in 2016. Then I am still associated with them till now. And after leaving my job in 2023 last, then I have started my own venture, Yunus and Wellness, and started working as a nutritionist in my own clinic since 2024. Then I founded Yunus and Wellness, and registration completed in this year only. I have received several awards from government and government recognized institutes. I was also the topper of my university in 3 of my degree programs. Then I am a life member of Nutrition Society of India and also Association of Food Science and Technologists of India and other several government bodies. And I do take part of their conferences, and I also received many awards from them. I also attend most of their conferences and give oral presentations and also receives some certifications and awards. So I have done my presentations in various national and international conferences on nutrition throughout the globe. So in my career till now, more than 3,500 girls and women have regained their natural healing capacity using my program or framework. So here my social media links. Now come to the main topic. What is fertility? It's the natural capability to conceive or induce conception or for producing offspring through reproduction, and fertile age is from menstruation at 10 to 12 years to 45 to 55 years till menopause. This is our fertile period, and fertility is possible in this period if a woman is normal in her health. Main cause of female infertility is the leading cause is PCOS. That is 70 to 80% of the female infertility is related to PCOS, and 30 to 40% of female infertility is related to thyroid disorders. What is PCOS and how we can diagnose it? We can see here that normal ovary there is no visible cyst here, and in polycystic ovary there can be numerous cysts like in this image, small or big, and there will be more than 20 cysts present. So the prevalence is getting higher and higher each year. Now, around 2 out of 5 women in India is suffering from PCOS, and about 25% of married couple facing infertility in India. Common symptoms we all know mostly, like the ovarian cyst in polycystic ovary, irregular periods like periods getting too early or too late or missed, totally missed, acne, hormonal acne, then excess facial hair and body hair due to high testosterone level that is known as hirsutism, excessive hair fall, baldness pattern of hair fall is there, weight gain particularly around the abdomen, and even eating a very less amount of food. Then mood swings, very common, and sleepless nights, insomnia, then fatigue without doing anything, you feel tired all the time. Then insulin resistance is one of the most horrifying symptoms. And also high testosterone, which regulates all the organs as male pattern of symptoms. Then it causes the low sex drive, dryness of vagina, and it hampers our relationship. Then and it all leads to infertility in the couple. What caused this curse? First is wrong dietary choices. Next is genetic tendency. Third is hormonal imbalances. Fourth is insulin resistance. Fifth, stress and lifestyle. And accumulation of toxins in the body can cause this curse. Similarly, hypothyroidism, also it's a hormonal imbalance. It also affects fertility. Hypothyroidism can affect a person's fertility in many ways, like menstrual irregularities, ovulation dysfunction, hormonal imbalances, luteal phase defect, increased risk of miscarriage, and hormonal feedback loop. Then, toxemia and fertility. Toxemia is the condition when we have more toxins in our body and blood than the normal, and our in organs like liver and kidney cannot effectively eliminate them. How toxin accumulates in our body? First is wrong diet or pesticides in food, which is one of the major cause. Then allergens in food and environment. Then mental stress or work pressure, which leads to production of cortisol hormone, which also causes toxicity. Then pollution, environmental pollution, air and water pollution, everything helps to accumulate toxin in our body. Then chemicals from medicines, cosmetics, etc. As people have suffering from PCOS, doctors will provide numerous of medicines like supplements, ovulation inducers and all, and they also contain many chemicals that can help, that can increase the toxin levels in our body. Then poor sleep and lifestyle. Proper sleep ensures to eliminate toxins in our body. So poor sleep and lifestyle pattern in taking less water, etc. also impacts in our toxin accumulation. Then the body's inability to excrete metabolic waste or toxins, like the liver or kidneys, if overburdened, they cannot release the extra metabolic waste or toxins from our body, and hence this toxin accumulates in our organs like liver, kidney, uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries, etc., and impairs their function and hormonal secretions. So even if you conceive after having these issues, then you may face some of the side effects like ectopic pregnancy, miscarriage, preterm delivery, gestational diabetes, low birth weight babies, and genetic abnormalities in the newborn or children or the fetus. So, why regular hormonal therapy, contraceptive pills, metformin is not the right thing? All doctors recommend hormonal medicines like contraceptive pills, steroids, progesterones, etc. to regularize period. Even they give steroids. So it's the simple and easiest and fast solution to give to their clients as we want to see results very fast. But is it really necessary for our body to be loaded with artificial hormones and steroids? Can you take this forever in your life? Rather, it will make your body addicted towards the synthetic source of hormones, and then the body's natural healing power will be lost. So, body become will body will become dependent or addicted toward these artificial hormones. So, we need to work on the improvement of our body's natural healing power. Each item of nature has its own healing power or capacity if you give it the right environment or right opportunity. So, we have to work on this. There are many side effects of the hormones as birth control pills or steroids increases the estrogen and lowers testosterone in order to keep female hormone in balance. However, this interferes with the body's natural hormone balance and has numerous side effects like infertility in females, including other symptoms like vaginal dryness, mood swings, depressions, etc. Liver failure, as liver has to work harder to work on these artificial medicines and increases toxin levels in the body or the metabolic waste. Then weight gain without eating too much. Gallbladder stone, as there is these chemicals tend to deposit or trap inside the gallbladder. And chances of heart attack or heart disease is increased, and it also increases the possibilities of uterine or breast cancer. So PCOS is not just hormonal imbalance, it's the whole body imbalance. There are so many complications of untreated PCOS, like reproductive complications like infertility, endometriosis, cyst, endometrial cancer, miscarriage, pregnancy complications like gestational diabetes, preterm birth, and then metabolic complications like diabetes, insulin resistance, obesity, metabolic syndrome, fatty liver disease, heart disease, thyroid, acanthosis nigricans, that's the black patches observed in the neck area or in the arm or anywhere in our body. That's caused by insulin resistance and is known as acanthosis nigricans. Then our mental health also suffers due to PCOS, like depression, anxiety, eating disorders. We know that that food is that can be causing any harm, but we crave so much for something like sweets or salty things or fried things, and it becomes a eating disorder. That if we don't have this, our mind will be depressed. Then low self-esteem, as we don't want to be socialized, don't want to go out like before, because many people are asking about our health when we are going to conceive and all. So we have low self-esteem because of this untreated PCOS. Then why common medical approach is not sustainable? No work, as it doesn't work on the root cause. We have to work on the root cause. These are some examples as when we have irregular periods, doctor prescribe us oral contraceptive pills, and it works by providing artificial estrogen and progesterone. Then if we have acne and facial hair, they provide us anti-androgens, and it blocks excess male hormones, that is testosterone, produced by the body. And then weight gain or insulin resistance, if you complain about this, then they will supply metformin that is used in diabetes, and it improves our insulin sensitivity and then increases the body's metabolism. Then if you complain about infertility or anovulation, then they provide us ovulation inducers like letrozole, very common. Then it stimulates the ovaries to release egg and support conception. But all of these won't work in the root cause of these problems. Why you are having irregular periods, your body is crying for something, but they won't treat the root cause to make it natural. They won't help to make it natural, but they will provide the artificial solution. So these are artificial chemicals or hormones that provide the immediate result, but the work, it won't cure your body's actual problem due to which the hormonal imbalance are occurring. Without medicine, these symptoms will reappear again and again. So what is the solution for PCOS reversal? Is there any solution that we can overcome this naturally without all these harmful medicines? Yes. Let food be thy medicine, not medicine be thy food, as ancient Greek physician Hippocrates have mentioned. So we have to consider food as our medicine, not the medicine we should consume as food. During my experience in all the gov sector as well as in my private practice, I have developed this over detox program. So these are tailored as per the individual symptoms and addressing the root cause. Everyone root cause can be different. So our approach is individual and personalized and addressing the root cause of each woman. And our program is designed as per the menstrual cycle of the woman, which is very first of its kind you won't find anywhere in the world, I guarantee. So, and also our approach is natural food-based approach and no medicine required. And it also cures all the health-related issues like constipation, acidity, weight gain, hair fall, skin issues, fatty liver, high cholesterol, urine infection, etc. And the most advantage is it has no side effects. Our approach is designed so uniquely as per the menstrual cycle of your woman. We have follicular phase, we have menstrual phase, then follicular, then ovulation, then luteal phase. Our diet and our yoga and all activities are different for each phases and each number of days of the menstrual cycle. When to do what type of yoga, when to do eat what type of food so that our hormone will be at its optimum. So our program is designed as per such manner. So in this program, diet, there are 4 components: diet and nutrition, yogic intervention from reputed yoga scientific school, then detox therapy and lifestyle management. It's a video course. You will have all the lessons in your in the website or app at your suitable time. So you can practice all at the convenience of your home without going outside or going to gym or any other joining other program. So it's the one-stop solution for you. The first component is diet and nutrition. We provide the balanced diet for women, diet as per menstrual cycle, and we give dietary guidelines, what to eat, what not to eat, how to increase the nutritional value of your food, then strategies to maintain the optimum weight. There are many small strategies that we can do to maintain our weight. Then water requirement as per your weight. We calculate your water requirement as per your weight and how much to drink water so that your kidney is also not very overburdened. Then the yogic intervention is done as per collaboration of our institute, which are designed specially as per the scientist for the treating these symptoms of women. These are therapeutic yoga as per your symptoms. Then bandha and kriyas are there, mudra, meditation. We have a package like Om meditation, glucose meditation, Om meditation, thyroid meditation, etc. And relaxation technique is there, instant and quick relaxation techniques and exercise and other videos. Most are about 30 minutes per day exercise. So you can do at your own convenience. No live sessions as all are designed as per your menstrual cycle and everyone's symptoms are different. So you will have your own package at your own convenience time. You can have it and view it at your time of convenience. Then the detox therapy, detox package, detox diet as per symptoms, and we provide detox therapy, natural therapy. You can do this at your home, but we guide how to use this, like Jalneti, Natraneti, Nolikria, water therapy, colon therapy, hip and sit baths, steam therapy as per the symptoms, how many times you need to recur, or you may not require all. So we guide as per your symptoms what to be done and how many times you can do this. So then the organ detox and cleansing as per your symptoms. Some have fallopian tube blockage, then uterus, bulky uterus, or any endometriosis like that. So we uterus cleansing is there, then ovary cleansing, liver cleansing, etc. are there as per your symptoms. Then kitchen detox and also natural skin and hair care. Then lifestyle management, stretch management techniques we provide, sleep therapy, menstruation hygiene and care, social support, habit building support, how to build a sustainable habit for your good life. And we provide attractive awards on achievements on your simple steps of our program so that you feel encouraged and motivated to do this program. So we have many success stories till now. She's Aswini Gupta from Delhi. Then she suffered from PCOS, infertility, and conceived after 4 years of trying. Let us listen to her story.
We have been married since 5 years. We started trying for pregnancy after 1 year of marriage. After trying for 6 months, we visited local gynecologist where I came to know about PCOS problem. I had symptoms like facial hair, irregular period, but I was not aware of the term like PCOS. As the first line of treatment, the local gynecologist suggested went for 3 cycles of ovulation induction, but it did not work. After repeated failure, we went for Ayurvedic treatment like Panchakarma. We tried for 1 year, but that also did not work. Doctor were suggesting go for IUI, IVF, laparoscopy, but had seen and read about the failure of procedure in previous patient.
As Ashwini was suggesting that we were really struggling and we were getting frustrated because once we understood what is PCOS, we came to know that treating the after effects is not the right way. We will have to treat the root cause, as you explained in your webinars. And we were looking for such solutions, and we were not getting it.
We both completely frustrated and not knowing what to do next. So we were searching how to solve PCOS problem naturally. And I came across Instagram page. I joined the program and decided that I will follow protocol strictly with positive mindset.
When we come across such programs and the help that we actually got from you, it boosted our confidence that we can still keep on trying. And when we join such programs, we come across different set of guys who are struggling with the same problem, and then we come to know that we are not alone. And then it gives us the motivation to keep on trying. We hear the success stories. It keeps us motivated.
Then I will preparing my body for the protocol and diet, yoga, lifestyle changes. In February, my LH level started dropping, and finally in May, I will conceive. We have been
Then we have Kalpana, who's from Hyderabad. She is also suffering from
Initially, I
PCOS,
am having
infertility,
PCOS
and
from the
conceived
past
after
8
3 years.
years. I got married 4 years back. So previously, when I visit hospitals, doctors used to give me 21 days tablets, and I used to get periods for 3 months. And later on again, it is the same. At that time, I didn't take it seriously at all because I don't know all these like what the root causes and all. I just ignored it. But after my marriage, then. So when we thought of kids after an year, then I started to visit hospitals. So there also the first point every doctor used to tell is to reduce the weight. So initially I was very lean only. I thought only if we are gaining weight, then only we'll be getting PCOS. I didn't go for IUI and IVF, but I took almost 1 year. At that time, my growth was not good with the tablets. They have given me injections also for 2 cycles. So it used to be like for 1 month, egg used to grow, and the other month it is not. So later on, after my marriage, I went to almost 75. When I joined this program, I was 75. Within 4 months, I reduced to 68, and later on to 62. Now I'm 62. Yeah, these protocols has definitely helped me a lot. I observed like I'm getting my periods. When I joined, my average blood sugar is 5.7. Now it is 5.1. And also my hormonal tests, everything was good. So in the second cycle itself, I'm conceived. Even I have pinged you like the doctor is asking to go for IUI, but you said no to that. So in that cycle, I got conceived.
I can definitely say that I'm a PCOS survivor in 2019. That's the first time I heard the word about PCOS. After the PCOS survival, I naturally conceived, but unfortunately, it was ended up in a miscarriage in 2020, I believe. Yes, 2020. So after that, it was really, really a very mess in my whole life because my menstruation went down to it's like 45 days after my miscarriage. I have contacted two infertility specialists back home in my country. So I have done few tests in between. So they said all my tests are proper. There's nothing to worry. I can conceive naturally. But either none of my doctor have a proper answer why I got the infertility. So one day I was just scrolling the Instagram page. I saw your page. So I thought, yes, so I need to join here. So let's have a try. So I still remember I discussed all my story with you in our first consultation. You said, okay, that would be fine. Okay, the doctors are saying, okay, you don't have any problem, but we need to focus on some of the minor things, Mithya. Yes, I still remember that you said me. I said, okay, that's fine. Yep. So I joined on July, the middle of the July. From that day, I have started the protocols. I tried to follow as much as I can follow, but I was stick on the formula 25%. But the yogas and other things, it's a bit difficult for me to do because of my work pattern, life pattern. But I used to do the basic yogas like Chakrasana, butterfly asana, and I achieved my result in September.
Then we have Amita Wade from Maharashtra. She is also having many problems like thyroid, PCOS, infertility.
Initially, during
Let's
college
hear
days
from her.
only, I have PCOS. But after consulting doctor, by taking medicines, I got regularized. After that, I got thyroid in 2017.
Okay.
I have put on so much weight, like 73. I was at that time. So based on doctor's consultation, again I used medicines. It was for 2 years. It was very hard for me to even reduce 1 kg of weight because of thyroid, my lifestyle. So much, I went into so much depression. I am unable to concentrate on any work. A lot of health issues. I couldn't understand actually what to do also at that time. After that, I got married. We are trying to conceive, but it's not happening from 4 years. I was very worried, and my mother-in-law, they were also very worried by everybody conceiving, why you people are not conceiving. Better go consult any doctor, do something. They are pressurizing. Nearby people also pressurizing. So I got so much tensed. So after that, one day I saw your Instagram post. I consulted you. Initially, I thought whether this work or not because I've used so many times in the previous years. But now the last hope was you, ma'am. Actually, sincerely, I started and I followed every bit whatever you said. Initially, it was very hard to reduce even 1 kg. After 2 weeks, by taking this diet and water and all everything, after 2 weeks, I started to reduce week by week 1 kg. I used to reduce. Now I was 56, ma'am. From 70 to 56. Finally, I conceived, ma'am, last month.
Then we have Sunita Arya from Bangalore.
I had PCOD and my husband had also some problem like low morphology that is 1%. So we both have problems and we are trying to conceive and I'm using medicine nearly like 7 to 8 months after I came to know that we have problem, and there was no use using medicine. December month I joined in program. Later, before I have one problem also, I told to ma'am that was I had infection issue. I take lots of antibiotics, but that was again coming in every month. That was repeating. Having nodule is a not problem, but having infection is major problem for me because I am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. As an infection and lot of pain. I couldn't bear that pain. But after joining this program, I came to know that that problem also reversed. It won't come. It won't repeat it again in Jan month. I'm really happy for that result. And within a month, I started seeing that results. My hair fall issue also started down. Madam was very positive towards me, and she always motivates me. Definitely you will get pregnant, be positive. That ma'am motivational words that helps me a lot, and her program I followed very strictly, but it takes time, but definitely it works. I really thankful to ma'am in my life.
I also receive numerous WhatsApp messages. Their news, their good news, positive news every day. Now, let's ask some questions to yourself. How much money have you already spent on visiting specialists till now? How much money have you already spent on medicines? How much time have you wasted following random videos and DIYs? How much time have you spent listening to non-certified persons in Instagram or YouTube or Facebook anywhere, because there are now numerous health coaches who doesn't have a degree, certified degree or a registration, and they randomly put some their thoughts which actually doesn't work. So if you have already had these issues, then please have a thought. If you consider normal medical expenses when you visit a doctor appointment fees 500 to 1000, ultrasound 1500 to 25000, then medicines 1000 per month at minimum, and IVF surgery, if you have to do that will come in lakhs, several lakhs, and it also doesn't have any guarantee and have numerous side effects to your health. But our over detox program is designed and unique in such a way that you will receive a personalized diet plan for 3 months with rupees 6,000 valuation. Then informative video course including all these aspects of your health, including physical, mental, and overall well-being. It is of rupees 5,000 valuation. Then organ detoxification or cleansing is 3,000 valuation. Yogic intervention is rupees 6,000 valuation. The yogas are not from any local yoga instructors. These are the scientists, or these are the scientifically designed yogas. You will experience the difference of the yoga. Then meditation package of rupees 3,000 valuation. Then detox therapies rupees 5,000 valuation. Stress relaxation package is rupees 3,000 valuation. 24/7 WhatsApp and app support is rupees 5,000 valuation. Total will be rupees 36,000 valuation. But for this limited time, you will have this at rupees 5,997 only. And we also do take guarantee of your improvement in symptoms, or we provide the money back. So unlike doctors or any other treatments cost, we don't take any of your money unnecessarily. If you see positive results, then you pay or don't pay us. So if you want to enroll in this program for this limited offer, otherwise it was rupees 9997, and for this limited time only it's given as 5997, and you can do also UPI payment in this number 7002307011, or you can use this UPI scanner barcode or that scanner code, and after payment you can share the screenshot and name and email ID on this number 7002307011, or you can email it this information along with the screenshot of your payment to the yonozen@gmail.com, and I will provide you the instant access accordingly. You can pay in the website also if you wish. I will send you the payment link, but it will be additional 1,000 rupees extra, as you have to pay the GST amount of 18% and also 2% the transaction charges of the payment gateway. So the UPI payment is more convenient, everyone is using it, so you can use this payment for your convenience and to save rupees 1,000 in terms of GST and other transaction charges. So if you are really interested in our program or in improving your health naturally without any chemicals or any other side effects, or in proven methodology that is scientifically designed or unique in the world, so you can enroll in our program and I will guide you for 3 months accordingly. And if you don't have any positive impact or any improvement in your symptoms, then the full money back guarantee is there, so you no need to worry about your money. Wish you good health. Thank you so much.